Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fariz, and today I will be presenting about one of the most significant web-based tool that can be used for online learning, which is Schoology. Okay, let's get started. So what is Schoology? Okay, Schoology is a cloud-based learning management system, or LMS, with a social networking capabilities. I will explain this on the next slide. What do you mean with LMS with social networking capabilities? And it offers a traditional administrative program such as attendance, grading, academic calendar, and also homework posting. I'm sure everyone already know what is a LMS, so I don't have to explain it anymore. Okay, next slide. However, the developer decided to create LMS that does more than an administrative duty. So they applied one of the popular interactive formats of social network, for example, Facebook. Alright, so that it can easy to use, it can be easy to implement online learning due to the fact that due to the fact that everyone has a social media nowadays, especially Facebook, I assume. Okay, classroom management and social networking platform that improve learning through a better communication, a better collaboration, and increased access to curriculum and supplemental content. Alright, next slide. Okay, this is the academic features that you can find when you open Schoology. Alright, you have class profiles or web pages. You can create you can have an option to create assignments and event if you're an instructor. You can create tests and quizzes, manage a gradebook and attendance. You can also track student usage and cost analytic. So this feature, the fifth feature, is very useful for educator to track, to see this their student progress, whether the student is improving or the student does their homework, uh, the interaction of the student. All right. And the next one is iPhone app. Because Schoology is also available for your phone, for your iPhone. You can search Schoology in Apple Store. Right. Next slide is three important features of Schoology. Uh, Before I show you the academic feature, now this is the three important feature, not academic, just the three main features of Schoology, which is communicative tools, collaborative tools, and the ease of use, the visual appeal, and the technical support. Right. Okay, cross-school networking and private messaging. Okay, Schoology offers a flexible forms of communication. It gives the user the ability to post messages to a whole community or a group, or also for a specific individual. Right. A group workspace for departments, clubs, and parent-teacher association (PTA). Schoology has a versatile collaboration in groups. It gives the ability to create groups that are open to everyone, and also a closed group to discuss something private among yours, right? Blogs and profile pages, collaboration of profile pages. Each student has their own profile page where they can post their updates or create a blog. They can comment on their friends in a threaded conversation, same as social media that we are familiar, Facebook, right? They have a feature that you can comment, and you can also comment on the title, on the topic, so that you can have a discussion among yourself. Yeah, okay, the additional features. able to search for student in discussion thread. As I said before, you can easily tackle any student that are not interact, there are no engagement during a discussion. So you can see which the student has the most interaction, most engagement, right? A safe closed site with parent access, and it also link with Google Apps, because almost everyone I know use Google, or at least they have knowledge about Google, I suppose. Okay, so this can be a huge advantage for Schoology, because with this feature they can easily tell you with they can easily, I mean, it link with a Google app, so they have Google Slides, Google Classroom. uh, Safe to say it can make everything easier for everyone. Able to import and export grades and student lists. Alright. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the how Schoology works. So when you open the web page, you have to type schoology.com, and this is the page that you will see. Schoology, a power school uniform product. Okay, Power School actually is the developer, if I'm not mistaken. Is the developer of Schoology. They create Schoology, right? So you can have here a tour. See, uh, so you can request a demo. So for first time user, uh, you can read all the important things, connect the resource bar. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to use this. Okay, after you sign up, obviously, alright, let me show you this first. Okay, first thing you can choose to sign up as an instructor, or as a parent, or as a student. There should be a third option here, but I guess I'm already signed up as a student, I think. Okay, I'm just gonna show you what a student can do. Alright, so this is your home page. Okay, this is your course dashboard. Obviously, there's nothing here because I didn't enroll in any of the courses here. Okay, okay, you can customize your own profile. Alright, does this remind you of anything? This uh what you call this page lah. Okay, okay. Doesn't it remind you of some something? I guess, huh? Alright, so you can customize everything here. Short bio, interest or activity, your schools and everything. And here's is the calendar. You can put submission date, create an event, put your description here, title, the date, right? So this is your notification, and also request. Again, doesn't this look familiar with some of the social network that we often use, right? So this is your messaging option, search button. Alright, moving on to the course. Here, as you can see, I'm not currently enrolled in any of the courses. So to join a course, you have to put an access code. You have to write an access code. Access code you can get from the creator of the course, from the instructor, right? Same as the group. You need a code to access to join the group, and access code to join the group, right? Resources. This is where you can post anything, a folder, a PowerPoint file, or even a link, so that you can have a discussion here. Uh, if I post something here, let's say, uh, anyone can open the folder and they can put a comment, so discussion can happen, right? This is for groups, right? Thing here, can search. Okay, now for the grade report. So for parents, I think, and even for students also, they can always see their grade here, which is which I don't have right now. Okay, never mind that. Okay, now this is the attendance. Okay, same. I don't have any. Right? No past attendance. Oh yes, that is what I said before. Yes, this is my last course that I enrolled. Think. Yes. Okay, you can see your grading here. Course grade. Alright. Do assessment. Something like this. Alright. I think that is all about Schoology. Alright. Uh, if you have any question, you can ask. And thank you for your time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.